Alright guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to work in the engine bay. Plan for today basically is to remove the brake lines, the ABS. I might be deleting this, I'm not too sure, but I'm going to try not to bend the lines too bad, brake lines, and we'll kind of just take everything we can off out of the way and tape off what needs to be taped off. I'll probably sand it down and then respray it. I kind of just sprayed this here just to see how it looks. It's like cherry red, so I'm hoping it doesn't stand out too much. But I'd rather have the engine bay looking nice when you open it up. Like none of this scratches from, I think, when you previous engine pulls. It's what usually happens anyways in all Supras, unless you put a rag there. But so we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gotta figure out. I think there should be two bolts under here. I should be able to get access to for this, and then that bolt right there, and just disconnect all these lines, and we should be able to just get this out of the way. The lines, all the little brackets that's holding it, just bolt those off. Same thing with this, and then we can go underneath and get to the brake lines from under here. Let's see if you guys can see. Yeah, that's this one right here. We'll just break it loose from right there. And when we were getting this car, we kind of just like jammed everything so we can roll it. So suspension, it's just like, yeah, it's not even bolted down. But when we go with some coilovers, we'll get rid of this. This is just so we can move everything around. I do have some stock 91 rims for this. There goes another plane. I'm in SeaTac, and this is constantly what happens, just non-stop playing. Zoom in again, zoom out. But yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up, and I kind of already started taking stuff up here. So for today's video, hopefully we can get everything painted, and I need to sand down some of this stuff. That way we can stop any more rust that's going on. As you can tell, my positive, I think, cable here for the battery is gone, but we'll take care of this. There's some other wires that's cut. No issue, we'll take care of this. Kind of have to replace a lot of this fuses and sensors. So one thing is this, remove this, put it aside, tape what we need to tape. Same thing with all the lines. Just kind of unbolt this and pick it up a little bit and move it out of the way. I might respray. I might not respray this. I'm a little worried about my power steering rack. I'm not sure if hopefully it's good. I'm not too sure. Kind of got some, that's already open. See, if it would have been cool if they left the bolt on there, so whatever doesn't go on there, water, and it's kind of dirty. So I'll clean all that. And we have our fuel line that we made. We're gonna have that disconnect to the fuel rail. So, and I have the stock one right there that was cut. If you guys can see, let me zoom in for you. You see it? It was cut. So that's why we made that one, because that's gone. And it's pointless to just get a OEM one anyways. This will be better flow. So it's all the way out. I'll show you guys. There you go. I'm gonna get under the car here, get a little dirty for you guys. Oh, should have brought the roller, but as you can tell right here, you guys see? Zoom out a little bit. That's your light right there. And when I install the gas tank, I'll do a separate video. We need to get that filter. It's all the way there. I'm gonna replace the filter, get a new one. When we get all that connected, then we can get the gas tank in with our fuel pump. So we'll do a separate video on that. And another video we need to do is it's the rust. So I'm actually just gonna fix this myself. I'll do a video of how I fix this instead of cutting it and whatnot. This is actually fixable without using any kind of cutter or welding necessary. So sand this down. I got my 80 grit sander. Yeah. So we'll do a whole video of that. I got some stuff I need to buy, bundle and all that stuff, buddy filler. So yeah, I'm gonna take care of this. And also on the passenger side it has it, and then we have our trunk. So all of this, sand all of this down, especially stuff like this is just gonna end up keep rusting. Take care of that, sand that down, sand that down, sand that down, and of course our trunk. Okay, this isn't all bolted down there, so stay for now. But that, we have to do the same thing, sand this down a lot, go underneath, kind of take what we can and fill it up. So yeah, that's gonna be an interesting video. Hopefully we get it done. But in here it looks pretty good. Besides this motor, wiper motor is kind of a little rusted, but nonetheless everything in here looks real good. I'm happy about that. So that's gonna be on hopefully next week's video, where we take care of all this rust situation. But besides that, I'll set you guys up. I'll just take everything off here real quick, and we might be able to paint today, because I'm still trying to figure out if I'm okay with this color. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It says cherry red. So, but yeah, let me set you guys up and let's get this work going. All right, guys, check it out. So we did a lot. Well, not really a lot. It's pretty simple, but when you're removing that ABS from here, there's like 2 bolts underneath here, 4, I mean, my bad, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you got to take off to remove it. So just a heads up on that one. But as you can tell, everything is off. It looks good. Brake lines are out of the way. This is loose. Bro, it's so hot. Look at that. Look at my hands. Look at that. So, another plane. Like I said earlier, guys. Yeah. So, I need to go pick up my mom and take her places. So, that's why the video is going to kind of... It's short, which sucks, but what can you do? So, what we're going to do tomorrow, basically, is just wash this up, clean it up, sand it down. I'm thinking 800 grit or maybe 150. Rough it up, you know, and then we're gonna prime over it and then spray. So this was the spray I used. It was cherry red. I'm not sure if I want to go with that. I might just get just basic red. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If I should stick to that paint. It's gonna be can painted anyway, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, it looks good. So stick around for tomorrow when we get this thing looking a little nicer. Yeah, a little nicer. Looks brand new. So I got all the parts here that we took off here. So I try not to bend any of the lines because I might reuse it or maybe save it for another project or sell it to somebody that might need it, you know, just kind of put it in. I did buy one of this one time, and the guy that shipped it to me had it bent so bad it was pointless. You couldn't use it. Yeah, so I've done a ABS delete before as well, so I might do that. It's pretty simple. You just need a couple lines from there, run one here, run over there, and you're good to go. Or you can buy a kit. I might buy the kit. It's really nice. So yeah. Oh, here's something I noticed on the Supra. So these guys were running some wires and I guess a boost hose or whatnot. And instead of just, I don't know, maybe drilling a nice hole somewhere there or even running it through right there, they hammered it or they bent that metal. Well, why would you? They bent that metal just to get the wires through there. We already yanked all our wires down there, but why would you do that? Like, there's nicer ways. There goes that. I don't need that. There's nicer ways to do it. But anyways, that's what we're doing with. So hopefully you guys like the video. Stick around for tomorrow. It's going to be another nice day. So once I wash it, it should dry out really good because it's going to be pretty hot. So I just got to start early in the morning and I can't wait. Hopefully you guys like the video. Leave a comment or any tips or any paint you guys suggest I should use for the engine bay that you think is going to look nice, or just keep it red. And yeah, thank you. Have a good day. You guys be safe. Keep your distance. Wash your hands. Catch you later.